Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to take a screenshot on your Windows 11 PC. Okay, and here is my browser. I need to take this page as a screenshot. So to do that, it is very simple. Just press Windows key and Shift key and S key at the same time. Windows, Shift, S key. Okay, three of them same time. Then you will get this pop-up. Then you can select a native live on your screen, but we need this snipping area. Click on that. Then we have four options like rectangle, window, full screen, and freedom. And we are going to select rectangle. So we can draw here like this. Click, you can click and draw like this for an image. So it will be take a screenshot. So we can see that. And so that's guys, in this way, in this method you can simply take screenshot from here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.